Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset your password on First Citizens Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for First Citizens Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now, on the top right corner, we can see this option called login. So let's tap on this and choose your login type here and enter your login ID. Now, since we do not know the password, click on password option over here. Now enter your login ID and simply click on submit. After your login ID is verified, we'll get a resetting link in our email address, after which we can finally reset the password. So that is all we can do to reset the password of First Citizens Bank online banking. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.